I often take my pupils to difficult situations on purpose. It gives them a good grounding, so when they do pass the driving test, they're capable of dealing with anything that comes up. And this is a prime example. We've got a situation up ahead, a narrow road, loads of parked cars and some shops. Let's have a look. Good. Are you ready to slow if someone came? Is that going to be a problem? Cover your brake. Happy now? Good. Look far. I've just told the pupil to look far because I realise this is a critical point in getting down this road safely. We can't wait where we are at the moment because the Toyota to our right wants to turn left, and if we do wait here, it can't proceed. We good? Oh. You can tell from my pupil's reaction that he's seen the white minibus coming the other way. But let's have a little look at our decision at this point. First of all, could we have waited here? That may have allowed the minibus up into the space where the junction is to my right. But don't forget the Toyota is still waiting at that junction. Let's have a quick look behind us to see the actual space that the Toyota has and see whether there's enough room for the Toyota to clear at this point. We good? Oh. The simple answer is no. Another potential option could have been waiting here and allowing the minibus to actually stick its nose into this junction to my right. But don't forget the Toyota is still parked there, and it would have probably blocked everyone, so that wasn't an option either. The last time we could have waited at a space to negotiate the minibus was probably 29 seconds into this video. Have a look at it. So should me and the pupil have reversed back to that place to allow the minibus through? Or was there an easier option? What I'd like you to do now is watch the minibus and look at its speed as it comes through. Where it is at the moment, there's a space to negotiate and pass each other, but it was way too fast to use that space. Yeah. So, clutch down, steer left a little bit. Good. We're going to go tight left. Okay. And put it in first, or steer right now. Steer right now. Okay. Good. You have to move forward. Yeah. Okay. As we try and help the situation, watch the driver's reaction. Stop a second. He needs to go back. He's bombed in. There's a space up there. Yeah. Another good point to mention here is what we did with our car. We didn't just steer the front to the left because that would have left the bum sticking out. We got as close to the blue car as we could do safely, and then we made certain we were straight. Another point is to keep still, because then if the minibus takes your wing mirror off, who's hit who? Shaking his head, is he just trying to make it more difficult? And this brings me on to one of my final points. He works for Sefton Council and he drives a minibus for the Specialist Transport Unit. Do you think he knows this road? Do you think he understands the problems that this area could cause? If so, you would have thought he would have had a little bit more professional ability and waited potentially at this space where the red car is before he steamed in. Well, listen. This situation obviously shook my pupil a little. Next gear. Look far. Is there a car coming? Yeah. Are you steering away or are you slowing? I'm trying to slow. You weren't. You were steering away. You didn't slow. You don't need to slow now. Okay. Clutch down. Yeah. Come on, mate. You got a plan. Come on. Now, there's a space here. Yeah. Slow into the space. Yeah. Now look at the space behind the silver one. Are we good? Nice shot. Okay. Okay. So, park someone in on the left, mate. So as normal, when anything like this happens, we park in, we discuss, and we learn from it. And that is a big part of learning to drive, everyone. So don't forget, when you get these awkward situations, take what you can from them and you'll become a better driver. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Keep safe. See you all soon.